while setting your mood with tinted windows. Can I help you?
Oh yes, I was calling to see if you guys installed the Trackhawk Killswitch, Trackhawk GPS Killswitch. That's what it's called. And they say you guys are like 2013 Chrysler 300. Push start. Said 116. Okay. And when do you guys have availability to do that? Okay. Damn, man. These niggas had me on hold for 9 minutes and 30 seconds. And he just put me back on hold. Alright, man. So I just had me an appointment to get this kill switch installed. Nah, I would have went to my people's, but this is super complicated. I don't want nobody to mess this up. So they got on their page, they got an official dealer and stuff like that. So but they got official installers that officially install these, and they only charge me $116 to install it, so can't beat that. Now the amount of time I done had this kill switch is crazy. I done had this motherfucker since like since I installed this on my car. So I installed these on my car. I done had these. I done had this. So that's like 4 or 5 months ago. 6 months ago. But I've been in the driveway getting back in, you know what I'm saying? Getting another car pulled in front of me, but since I'm about to be butt naked, I don't know, open that with the AP. Nah, it's time for me to throw this kill switch on. In case some striker boys get on my ass. But yeah, man. Hopefully I didn't misplace nothing here, because I have been fucking with this shit and touching a lot of it. This, go to this, that, this. This is the fuse that cuts the power. And then you got this, but I'm not sure what this goes into exactly. I'm not sure exactly what that goes into, because ain't no plug or none of that shit for that. This don't plug into nothing they gave me. So yeah, we gonna see. Man, today is Thursday. I ain't picked up the camera since Monday. It's 4 something. No, 3 something. I'm running a little late. But I can't find my GoPro. So we back on the phone with it. Unfortunately, because I was looking forward to using my GoPro again because I like the quality. But gotta drive 50 minutes away. Gotta go grab gas. And then I gotta have somebody come grab me from 50 minutes away. But you know, Big Dre already got all that shit figured out. So they charged me $116 to put the thing in. I had to pay a $50 deposit and then the extra $66 when I get there. They told me it's gonna take a few hours. I don't know what a few hours is, because they said they close at 7. So hopefully when I get there 4:30, leave at 7. Probably I hope I'll leave at least by 6:30. Cause shit, I don't think it should take that long to do. Cause I was gonna do it myself, but I'm no electrical engineer. So, but yeah, man, I'm gonna get up with y'all when we on the road. Damn, bro, it took so fucking long just to get where we at, and I'm still 20 minutes away. Somebody had crashed in the left lane and fucked everything up. So shit, I'm late as fuck, like 15 minutes late, but shit, it is what it is. I don't know if that's gonna stop them from doing the job. Probably not. I'm about to call them though. Man, nigga can finally get out of the way. Damn. It'd be crazy loud on the tunnels. But yeah, man, it's far as fuck. I don't be on this side of town. cartoon or we're just leaving out. Bro said it's gonna take a few hours, so we're gonna be back in a few hours. I'm about to run some errands, get some shit from my AP, and then we're gonna double back. So yeah, tap in with your boy. All right, guys, we made it back. I'm about to slide in there and see what they saying. Hopefully everything went smooth, and then I gotta connect it to my phone, so I don't know how that work out and how they gonna know if that motherfucker done or not. But they just opened that bitch up and I'm about to slide in on their ass. Oh, they got a nice old school at this bitch. Oh, shit. Damn, we ain't let them bitch fly on it. All right, man, we back home and shit. I'm about to see how to work this, cause you're supposed to install an app. The app is right here. So I'm about to install this app real quick, and then I might have to grab another phone so I can see how this shit work. I might start this app and then grab another phone so y'all can see how it work, and then yeah. All right, man, I ain't gonna grab another phone, but it is what it is. So I just pressed the button saying enable Killswitch. So hopefully. See. All right, bet. So now y'all see that. Now let me disable it again, and then y'all gonna see. All right, bet. Now it's disabled. Now let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, this is great news. This was shit that I've been needing low key, because I used to leave my car on the street with the keys in it when I first bought it because I wasn't used to the remote start. But yeah, man, shit. I couldn't be no happier about it, for real. Now, I'm gonna have some added layer of protection on top of this. You know what I mean? And then I'm about to move into this apartment, so now I'm about to be out in the open and dangling and my nuts out everywhere. But if y'all want to know what kill switch I got, this is the kill switch I got. It's called the Trackhawk GPS kill switch. That's what it's called. If you look it up on Trackhawk GPS. So if you look it up on Amazon, I think it was like $120, $140. And then Cartoon was charged me $116 to put it in. So now we got that all together. We lit. I finally found my camera. I've been looking for it for a few days, but I finally, I'm packing up my stuff for my apartment. I'm about to move. I found it in the process of that. But anyways, I told y'all I was gonna show y'all. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all how this worked. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all how the kill switch worked, but I didn't have another phone or nothing to record off of. So I'm gonna show y'all right here. This how the app look. You know what I mean? Y'all might try to look at my address and stuff like that. That's how the app look. It got GPS tracking no matter where you at. So it's GPS tracking. Oh no, my address right there. Hold on. So yeah, man, I got GPS tracking and stuff like that. So you can see this bitch no matter where you at and where they at, and you can see it while they moving. And then right here, you press right here, you press send command, and that's gonna enable or disable your kill switch. I'm gonna show y'all right now. It should have been enabled at this moment. Oh shit, I'm lying. So obviously I'm dangling because that motherfucker was not activated. So this way you're gonna press enable. Now you say command sent. Look. There we go. All right, look, you see my front foot on that motherfucker as I run. So yeah, man, this bitch worked wonders. This shit got me happy as fuck. Waiting for a striker boy to come tap in with me. So I'm about to see I didn't look to see where they monitored it, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it's not in the front. It's not in the front. Check to see if it's in the back. If you want me to believe they moved all this shit to put this in here, I doubt they did. Please come by these headers, man. These only like come by these bitches. I need a spare tire, bro. This shit ain't doing shit but fucking up my trunk. Damn. Fuck. Man, I don't know where they put that bitch. Fuck it. I don't know where they put that bitch, and I guess it's best that way. That I don't know where the fuck they put it. That's that. I'm about to go to this apartment real quick and then get everything situated, and I'm gonna tap in with y'all boys because I can't end the video like this. So yeah, man, get in with me. Damn. Fuck. All right, man, yeah, we here in the new AP, as you guys can see. You know what I mean? On some light shit, I'm about to do this bitch so crazy. I don't like the way the color of this light is. But yeah. Y'all see? It ain't nothing too much, but it's enough for me. You know what I'm saying? I feel good. I'm thanking God for all the blessings he done put in my way. All the subscribers, the followers, the views, the monetizations. I'm thanking God for it all. And if you guys ever trying to follow me on the gram, this is my Instagram right here. Dre Money Productions. This is my Instagram. We're going crazy. We're growing up. You guys see 908K, 150K. You know what I'm saying? I got a video with a meal on, or I got 2 mil on that bitch, wherever it's at. This bitch got 2.1 mil. You know what I'm saying? 290K. Got another video with a 0.5 mil. This one got damn near a mil. So, you know what I'm saying? If you're looking for me on the gram, it's Dre Money Productions. Do not look up Onthedreside. That's my private page. I'm not gonna accept you. So, I'm starting to go for me. You know what I'm saying? I need couches. I need an 80-inch. And I need a motherfucking, I need some more shit. But just know, I'm starting to go for me so you guys can see me. I'm about to put my little wish list on Amazon and everything. But let me know how I should do this bitch up. Cause me and Drake on the flight locked in. You gonna get boxed in. No, for real. Oh shit. Ooh. Well, yeah, man. I got a lot of moving today, so I'm about to put y'all boys down. I was recording my motherfucking pocket for an hour, and I didn't know. But anyways, man, get in with me. Yee.